Now, still on the branch structure animation, but on the electronic side. Now, I gotta pause for a second to inform you that I have no degree in anything, including electronics. So, I'm just a 12th grade graduate, so all the things you watch me doing here are self thought, imagination, book reading, and some YouTube videos. Having said it, I'll be going with different methods in the making of the rocket launch controller instead of the usual schematics. So without further ado, let's see why I salvaged all the components for the making of the rocket launch controller. These are showing the exploded representation of all the components used in the making of the rocket launch controller, and the animated running lines showing how they are connected. The red lines representing the positive terminal and the negative for the black cables. All these components are then boxed inside a video cassette case as shown here. This box is also seated in a larger UPS case that I repurposed so as to make room for a larger 12-volt battery. The 61 feet extension cable running from the back of the RLC to the vehicle is the only exposed cable, which gets connected to the launch controller and is done by pressing and inserting the cable as shown here. The other end goes to the vehicle as previously shown in the animation. There, the paired wires are bridged with a resisting wire. The resisting wire now gets embedded in a charged powder confined in a straw so as to give the maximum possible ignition pressure at startup. This is a two-way launch control system. Once all external connections are completed, this is the first switch to push either left or right, and that's to decide between a 9-volt or a 12-volt power source. You then push the toggle switch on. The go for light launch and the beeper simultaneously comes on, and this is a positive indication that continuity is established. If for some reason the bridge wire to the vehicle gets disconnected, none of these mentioned features will be activated. But if all systems are good, you then press the momentary button for successful rocket uplift. Now here is a close-up demonstration of the launch controller unit, which shouldn't have been that close, but I did survive. Here is a successful performance of our homemade launch controller unit at a failed launch. Until next time, stay safe.